Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 16, 2016, and it's Thursday morning. So looking at the economic calendar today, a bunch of numbers coming out. Starting at 9:30 a.m. South African time, Swiss franc Libra rate coming out, Libra rate, and then that's the monetary policy in Switzerland, and that will be coming out. And then at 10:30 a.m. GBP retail sales not coming out, but more importantly at 1 p.m. South African time we have GBP monetary policy coming out, which is also a bank rate that's coming out at 1 p.m. And then at 2:30 p.m. CPI number coming in the United States, Philly Fed number, unemployment claims all coming out, weekly unemployment claims that is. And then at 10 p.m. we have Governor Carney speaking, and that's going to affect the GBP. So a lot of news coming out today. A lot of news came out yesterday. The FOMC was yesterday. Let's look at the market and let's see what's happening. The most notable symbol to discuss from yesterday's trading is gold. Gold's trading at 1312 right here, and it's unbelievable what just happened in the past 2 weeks with gold. I mean, let's look at a 4-hour chart. We hit 1215. We even hit 12 at one point right here. And then, boom, we're taking up 112 points within just 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. So it's an amazing move with gold. Just check it out. It was capitulated by the Friday move a couple of weeks ago. And then, boom, haven't seen, any retracements, very little red, just trending beautifully upwards into 1312. So it's new territory, 1312. If we look at a daily chart, we hit 1306 last time, but never a big bar like this. So, we may be able to fade this, but I don't like shorting something as it's going up. I'd like to see some sort of confirmation that it is retracing, unless you ease into the position. A lot of people got hurt with this. They were short. Somewhere over here, somewhere over here, and that's why you need stop losses to make sure that you do not get hurt more than need to. Looking at the Euro USD, also rallying yesterday, just beautifully here. Altogether, we were retracing below 1292. We came all the way down to our favorite number, 111.99, which is about 112, and now we've taken about 100 pips on the upside direction. So let's look at a daily chart. We're back up. And we look like we're heading back to the upper channel. Let's see if it continues and continues going that way. Just looking at the markets across the board, a lot of how should we say it? A lot of looking at the Dow Jones here. Just needed to update the chart. If you need to update the commodities and the indices because they are futures markets. You do that by clicking over here, right-clicking, and then pressing Show All, and then you'll see all the new futures. So Dow Jones September already open. Tomorrow is the expiration for the June contract. So we're trading literally at the bottom right here at 17,478. Don't like to pick bottoms, as you guys know. But looking at the daily chart, this is a major threshold for the Dow Jones. I mean, how many times could we hit this 18,000? If we look at a weekly, we've hit it several times, and then we just, every time we hit this 18,000, we just falter. So we may continue to sell off here. Let's take a look. Let's see what happens as the markets are moving in the direction of Brexit coming out only in 7 more days, so a week from today. Looking at oil here, oil's trading at 47.45 at the bottom of the range. So we sold off. This is a little bit of a support level right here. Let's see if it maintains it. Oil inventories came out yesterday. So altogether, the markets are trading. There's lots and lots and lots of volatility in the markets. If you don't want to trade anything to do with the GBP is dead in the water. It's trading at 141, as you can see here. And just literally, let's look at a 1-hour chart. You see it's really flatlined ever since it broke this 143 level. So, it might just trade this way until Brexit comes out. You know, people just sitting on the sidelines not wanting to touch it until the news comes out about what's going to happen. Looking at the USD CAD coming right back at 129. So we're trading at 129. US dollar getting a little bit stronger versus the CAD here, and jumping very nicely. I mean, this is a 500 pip move right here between 126 and 129. We're just talking about a week. Okay, so major move of the USD CAD. So there's lots of things going on in the markets. Things are still trading in character with what the market is trading. So I would continue pushing forward into the latter part of the week and latter part of the month. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.